Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google OAuth in Airtable and Make step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already. On the dashboard, click on the project drop-down at the top. Select New Project to create a new project for your Airtable integration. Give your project a relevant name and click Create. Once your project is created, ensure it is selected in the drop-down. Locate the APIs and Services menu on the left and click on it. Select Library from the submenu. In the library, search for Google Sheets API and select it. Click the Enable button to activate this API for your project. Next, go back to the APIs and Services section and select Credentials. Click on the Create Credentials button and choose OAuth Client ID. Select External for the user type and click Create. Fill in the required fields such as app name and user support email. In the Scopes for Google API section, click Add or Remove Scopes. Select the necessary scopes for your project, then save and continue. Now, go back to the OAuth consent screen and click Save and Continue until you finish. Once the consent screen is set up, go back to creating your OAuth Client ID. For application type, select Web Application. Name your OAuth 2.0 client and under Authorized Redirect URIs, add the Airtable authorization URL. This URL is typically formatted as follows: https://airtable. Click Create to generate your OAuth 2.0 credentials. Copy the client ID and client secret generated for future steps. Next, log in to your Airtable account. Navigate to the Airtable Apps section and find the integration for OAuth. Select the option to connect to Google. You will be prompted to enter your client ID and client secret from the previous step. Paste those values into the appropriate fields and click Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Airtable to access your Google account. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Airtable. You have now successfully authenticated with Google OAuth. From here, you can use the connection to automate workflows or access Google services within Airtable. Explore the different functionalities to maximize the benefits of your new integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.